Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on sound in Graphicscape game. So let's get started. First, launch open your Graphicscape game. Now tap on the gear icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the sound icon. And this is how you can turn on sound in Graphicscape game. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.